I would like to present the following case study: soil degradation in the Priorat vineyards in Catalonia, Spain. The case study is located in the northeast of Spain, in Catalonia, specifically in the Priorat region. It's an area characterized by its high quality of its wines. Its landscape is formed by small hills, more or less rounded, with a drainage network very embedded. The slopes are usually high, from 20 to 50%. For this reason, terraces are built for cultivation. The use of the land is mainly dedicated to the vineyard, but also to olive trees and forestry. The climate is typically Mediterranean, with very irregular rainfalls of 300 to 600 millimeters per year, and warm temperatures in summer and a slight cold in winter. Typical sites of the Priorat, developed from shales, are shallow, stony, with sandy loam or coarser textures. The schistosity of the rock allows some roots to deepen and find some clay, product of their weathering. In them, the grape productions are scarce but high quality, one of the reasons for their wealth. In some few at the bottom positions, soils are deeper, stony, and loamy texture. As soil traits, we see that in traditional systems there is a respect for the landscape that allows to obtain reasonable productions without disturbance or soil losses. Currently, the landscape of the Priorat has changed, look like the pyramids of Egypt. There have been large earthworks that allow soil mechanization and intensive cultivation. Often, these investments come from abroad, ignoring how the soils behave. In many cases, there are landslides, irregularities in plant behavior, water deficits accused in the plant, need for irrigation, with the limitation that this entails in this area. In some areas of terrace crops in the Priorat, if no action is taken, the situation can be serious. The construction of terraces with criteria from other areas, water infiltration has decreased due to the crushing of the surface stone and the compactation. The risk of landslides has increased due to heavy rains and base material, the shale. All this would lead to a degradation of the landscape and decrease in the quality of the grapes, with the closure of companies and loss of labor. In our future scenario, we must improve the knowledge of the soil and the landscape, both technicians and politicians, since sometimes the aid can be directed to the degradation of the landscape. The new plantations should promote the traditional cultivation or, in case of construction of terraces, less aggressive systems with the landscape that avoid large earthworks and always follow the contour lines. The aid must be directed to specific territories with specific needs, which guarantee respect for the environment. Promoting terraces in the Priorat is not the same as in another place, where water infiltration is less and runoff processes are avoided. Here, a challenge in the landscape and landslides is promoted. These measures must guarantee sustainability both in quality and quantity of wine production, and thereby guarantee the population fixation in the territory. I hope you like it. Thanks for your attention.